This tutorial shows you how to use HBox and VBox. So let me just create JavaFX XML application project. So let me copy package name to FXML documents for model view controller. Okay, let's open FXML documents with the same builder. Okay, I don't think we need a label, so let me remove it. Okay, let me slightly enlarge anchor pane. I will show you the idea of using small components. So, for example, like a checkboxes, maybe 3 of them. For certain UI designs here, you may need to move small components one place to another. It's not quite straightforward. You may select them as a group and move around. Again, still there is some minor issue with paddings and space between components. So to avoid that kind of inconvenience, we may use HBox or VBox. So here, let me just use 3 components and drag it to HBox, which is horizontal layout. Then you can move those 3 checkboxes as a group. Then obviously you can put certain paddings up there, left hand side, 10 pixels, and then down here 10 pixels, and then another 10 pixels. So when you resize your HBox, it will give you a nice layout with certain paddings. You can also put spacing between components. So checkbox 1, second one, and third one has a slightly the minor space between that. Okay, for VBox, exactly the same. So let me just copy or duplicate it. So drag 3 components. Then you can see those are laid out as a vertical way. So you can add paddings. (10 pixels each). Then you can also introduce spacing, so that there will be a bit of a space between the first and second and third checkboxes. See, as you can see, it's a lot easier to move a group of checkboxes with HBox or VBox. Let me just quickly demonstrate how we can use with other UI controls. So let me just use a text area and then one button. For quick demonstration, I will use only one group of checkboxes. Okay, button, I will say btn order. Then I will use the handle order button actions for action handler. So sorry, event handler. For first checkbox, I will name it as a pizza. Object name, I will name it as a pizza, which is a checkbox, so CHK pizza. I will use the same initial checkbox for CHK. CHK salad, and then I will say label as a salad. The last one I will say drink, then CHK drink. I don't think I will label HBox or VBox. I will leave it as it is. Okay, text area, I'll say TA summary. Syntax for. Okay, here we update controller, so make controller. Let me remove all implementation. Actually, I don't need that method, so I'll remove it. Our new the method name is handle order button action, so I will use here. So the first one is saying check pizza. If we select that checkbox, so is selected, we will return true value. Then I will do certain things. Okay, so if let me add blankets. So let me have one additional variable called double total equal to 0.0. Let's say if checkbox called pizza is selected, I will add $5 to total. Then I will do check salad is selected. If the value is true, means if this checkbox is selected, it will return true value. Then I will add additional maybe $3. So if you press Ctrl spacebar, it will show you a pop-up menu with the JDK documentation, so you can check it what it is. So last one I say check drink is selected. It's the same way, same if conditional statement. Total plus equal 1. So I can add more numbers, so that's why I say plus equal, not equal to 1. So now we report to text area summary dot append text, so I can continue add because we have multiple components we process multiple times. So I don't want to override it, so I'm using text append text instead of set text. Again, total is a double value, so let me quickly do type conversion to string. Okay, let's quickly have a look at the demo. Okay, if you select this pizza and you say $6. Okay, total is actually correct, but maybe we need to print more information so we can verify. So here TA summary.append text. I may put a bit more information about pizza. So check pizza, and the name of checkbox, you can use the method called getText, so you can get the label of checkbox. Then I will add a new line. Maybe I will put also $5 for that unit price of pizza. Then I will do the same thing for salad, $3. So check salad. Then the last one is again it's the same thing. It's $1. Then check drink. So this way we can actually see the additional information about individual price. Then maybe I will say total with changes. So we can actually see individual unit price plus total. Okay, let me select pizza and drink. Now you say $5, $1, 6.0, which is correct. There might be I need one additional space, but idea is correct. It actually works. So let me quickly fix it, then launch it again. So this time salad and drink. Okay, 3 plus 1, 4.0. That's correct. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you.